Just look at that big pile of goodies right there. Just look at it. So beautiful. Hey, what's up guys? This is Real Chief and welcome back to another unboxing video here on my channel. Or in this case, a post-York show type of video. As always, my name is Mike and we have another great show for you all today. Now, as you see in the front of you here, me and my dad purchased a lot of items at the York show this Saturday. So I'm not going to go over everything, or in this case, I'm not going to be reviewing everything that I bought. So instead, we're going to be taking a look at each item individually here in this video and giving you guys a little sneak peek on some of the stuff that I'm going to be reviewing for the next couple weeks here on my channel. Let's start off by showing you guys what's in the bag up at the top here. So the first couple of cars that we have here are two Rail King / MTH type of freight cars. We have a chassis system tank car as well as a chassis system hopper. We also have a matching chassis system SW1 type diesel locomotive with 2.0 sound system. We also have a 400 Bud car. If I can just get the box open here. So now we have another unit to go with my Lionel post-war Bud car set. We also have another Bud car unit, number 2550. In very beautiful, almost mint condition, just like the Fluel 4 is. We also have a special box card that I received from my friend George over at the show. And this is a very beautiful train collectors or TCA collector's car with the Burlington Zephyr on it. And this is actually a high cubed box car. So let's put that to the side so that way we don't fiddle around with it. We also got a couple of catalogs and some tchotchkes in here from George as well. So special thanks to him for sending me this over at the show. It was really nice, getting to, talk with him for a little bit. He was a really nice guy, and hopefully we'll get to stay in touch in the near future. Next up, we also bought a 12 pack, I believe, of Atlas curve sections for 036 track. I also bought the new O-Gauge train maintenance you can do it video series from TN Books and Video. Next up, we're going to take a look at a old favorite. So for those of you Huggies fans out there, sorry to disappoint you, but we have no Huggies whatsoever, but we do have a Lionel 282 magnetic crane with the black magnet. Now, as you can see, it's in a little bit of some rough shape. Well, not exactly rough shape, but it is a little dirty. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of a restoration on this in the future. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. Next up in the bag here, we also have a boxcar shell for a reproduction 6464 525 Minneapolis and St. Louis car. And if we take a look at what else is in the bag here, we also have some chassis for some 6464 boxcar remakes. And we actually bought two, so I'm going to be using one of these for the Minneapolis and St. Louis, and then the other chassis here I'm going to be using for my UPS 6464. We also bought a New York Central tank car from MTH, which is in really nice shape too. Now, just like with the magnetic crane, this one's going to be under maintenance, which means we're going to have to do a little bit of cleaning on this one too. We also got some Plasticville parts, including some train parts from Lionel. Next up, we have this Lionel sound activation button that we can attach to the ZW in case we want to add the bell feature to any of our newer locomotives that we have. And again, we got more parts in that bag, but we'll go over that in another video or so. We also got some replacement trucks and a chassis for the Lionel Silverdome passenger cars, which I'm currently working on. Or in this case, they are the Canadian Pacific passenger cars that I have. We also got some more parts. And then finally, we just moved this out of the way. We have this big box underneath, and when I mean big box, I mean a big box, because this is no ordinary big box. This is the one and only 4884 Union Pacific Big Boy steam locomotive, numbered 30-137-4-1, and this is a Proto Sounds 3 equipped locomotive. And I literally have had my eye on this for quite a long time. Now, it's not as detailed like the premium big boys are, but this is actually one of the nicer looking big boy engines that I've seen. And I would actually consider this to be the world's ugliest big boy, but not as ugly like the 2.0 version. So we're not really going to take this out of the box as of right now. Instead, we are going to be doing a future review on this locomotive as well, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. So let's go ahead and wrap up the video here, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on everything that I purchased. Alright, so that's about everything, and once again, like I said earlier in this video, what a great show. I have literally no regrets on anything that I purchased here in the pile that I showed you guys. And I will be doing reviews on each of those items in a couple of upcoming videos. Hi, Ozzy. It looks like Ozzy wants to say hi here. Hi, Ozzy. Hi, Osgood. He always likes to pop up on my channel from like time to time. But anyway, like I said before, I will be doing some reviews on some of the items that I showed you guys. So it's going to be like a whole almost a month of content on my channel. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. But anyway, as for now, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell down below for any other projects that I upload. And the one thing that I'm really eager to do is to review the MTH Big Boy that I purchased. So I'm really excited for that. And once again, make sure you guys keep an eye out for that as well. But until next time, thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next episode. Thanks again, and take care.